Ever dream of turning a few $100 into a beachside mansion? Crypto might hold the key for you. There are over 10,000 crypto millionaires in the world today, and that number is growing every day. Forget Lambo dreams, think private island. But first, I've got an exciting announcement for you. There's an amazing surprise waiting in this video. Be sure to watch until the end. This special treat will not only enhance your knowledge, but also pave the way for you to achieve your crypto goals. Don't miss out. What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Before we dive into the strategies for becoming a crypto millionaire, let's first understand what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital asset that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and control its creation. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrency is not issued or controlled by any central authority. Instead, it is governed by a network of computers, called nodes, that follow a set of rules, called a protocol. One of the most important features of cryptocurrency is that it is based on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all the transactions that occur on the network. Each transaction is verified by the nodes and added to a block, which is then linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This way, the blockchain maintains a complete and immutable history of all the transactions that ever happened on the network. Another key feature of cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized. This means that no single entity or person has the power to manipulate or censor the network. Anyone can participate in the network, as long as they have a computer and an internet connection. This also means that users have more control and ownership over their funds, as they do not need to rely on intermediaries, such as banks or payment processors, to access or transfer their money. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies in existence, each with its own unique features, functions, and goals. Some of the most popular and valuable ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its own community, ecosystem, and market. To become a crypto millionaire, you need to understand the differences and similarities between these cryptocurrencies and how to invest in them wisely. How to invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency is not as simple as buying some coins and waiting for them to appreciate in value. It requires a lot of research, planning, and risk management. Here are some of the steps you need to take to invest in cryptocurrency. Choose a platform. The first step is to choose a platform where you can buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency. There are many options available, such as exchanges, brokers, wallets, and apps. Each platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, such as fees, security, features, and user-friendliness. You should compare different platforms and choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. Some of the most popular and reputable platforms are Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and eToro. Choose a cryptocurrency. The next step is to choose which cryptocurrency you want to invest in. As mentioned earlier, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies to choose from, each with its own characteristics and potential. You should do your own research and analysis and learn about the fundamentals, technicals, and trends of each cryptocurrency. You should also consider your goals, risk appetite, and time horizon, and diversify your portfolio accordingly. Some of the factors you should look for when choosing a cryptocurrency are market capitalization. This is the total value of all the coins in circulation. It indicates the size, popularity, and dominance of a cryptocurrency in the market. Generally, the higher the market cap, the more stable and liquid the cryptocurrency is. However, it also means that the cryptocurrency has less room for growth, as it is already well established. On the other hand, lower market cap cryptocurrencies may have more potential for growth, but they are also more volatile and risky. Price. This is the amount of money that one unit of a cryptocurrency is worth. It is determined by the supply and demand of the market, and it fluctuates constantly. Price is an important factor to consider, as it affects your returns and losses. However, price alone is not enough to judge the value of a cryptocurrency. You should also look at other metrics, such as market cap, volume, and circulating supply, to get a better picture of the cryptocurrency's worth. Volume. This is the amount of money that is traded in a cryptocurrency within a given period of time. It indicates the level of activity and interest in a cryptocurrency. Generally, the higher the volume, the more liquid and popular the cryptocurrency is. However, volume can also be manipulated by bots, whales, and pump-and-dump schemes, so you should be careful and verify the source of the volume. Circulating supply. This is the number of coins that are currently available in the market. It affects the price and market cap of a cryptocurrency, as well as its scarcity and inflation rate. Generally, the lower the circulating supply, the more scarce and valuable the cryptocurrency is. However, some cryptocurrencies have a fixed supply, while others have a variable supply, depending on their protocol and algorithm. You should understand how the supply of a cryptocurrency works and how it affects its price and demand. Technology. This is the underlying system that powers and supports a cryptocurrency. It includes the protocol, the algorithm, the consensus mechanism, the network, and the features of a cryptocurrency. Technology is one of the most important factors to consider, as it determines the functionality, security, scalability, and innovation of a cryptocurrency. You should learn about the technology of a cryptocurrency and how it solves a problem, creates a value, or improves an existing system. Choose a strategy. The final step is to choose a strategy for investing in cryptocurrency. There are many strategies to choose from, depending on your goals, risk tolerance, and time frame. Some of the most common and effective strategies are buy and hold. This is the simplest and most popular strategy, where you buy a cryptocurrency and hold it for a long period of time, hoping that it will increase in value. This strategy requires patience, discipline, and conviction, as you have to ignore the short-term fluctuations and focus on the long-term potential. This strategy is suitable for investors who believe in the fundamentals and vision of a cryptocurrency and who are not interested in trading or timing the market. Dollar cost averaging. This is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money in a cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This way, you average out your cost basis and reduce the impact of volatility and emotions. This strategy is suitable for investors who want to build a position gradually and who do not want to worry about the optimal entry point or market timing. Trading. This is a strategy where you buy and sell a cryptocurrency within a short period of time, such as hours, days, or weeks, to take advantage of the price movements and trends. This strategy requires a lot of research, analysis, and skills, as you have to monitor the market constantly and use technical indicators, charts, and patterns to make informed decisions. This strategy is suitable for investors who are experienced, knowledgeable, and confident, and who are willing to take more risks and fees for higher returns. As mentioned earlier in the video, we're thrilled to present you with an exclusive offering that takes a deeper dive into the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency. Behold, a premium ebook entitled A Short Introduction to the World of Cryptocurrencies. The book provides a concise overview of the world of cryptocurrencies, offering a brief introduction to their key concepts and functionalities. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term journey that requires knowledge, skills, and discipline. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.